Art and craft activities at KNICE, Kamala Nehru Institute of Child Education, hold a special place in the school's educational framework as they contribute significantly to the holistic development of children. These activities are thoughtfully integrated into the school routine to ensure that learning is not limited only to textbooks but also extends to creativity, imagination, and emotional expression. Through art and craft, children find a meaningful outlet to express what they feel and think, often conveying ideas what words cannot fully capture. From an early age, children possess an innate sense of creativity. Art and craft sessions provide them with the right environment to explore this natural ability. Activities such as drawing, painting, coloring, paper folding, collage making, clay modeling, and creative projects allow students to experiment with colors, shapes, textures, and forms. As they engage in these hands on experiences, their inner talents are gradually discovered and honed. Each child gets the freedom to create in their own unique way, which builds self confidence and a sense of achievement. Art and craft education also plays an important role in developing essential life skills. Regular practice improves fine motor skills, hand eye coordination, focus, and patience. Children learn to follow instructions, plan their work, and complete tasks with the care and attention. At the same time, they are encouraged to think independently, make choices, and solve problems creatively. These skills prove beneficial not only in artistic pursuits but also in academic learning and everyday life. The role of art and craft teachers at KNICE is highly commendable. With dedication and enthusiasm, they guide students patiently, encourage originality, and appreciate every effort made by the children. Their supportive approach helps create a positive and stress-free learning atmosphere where students feel confident to try new ideas without fear of mistakes. Teachers also connect art activities with themes from academics, festivals, natures, and values, making learning more meaningful and enjoyable. Learning art and craft alongside main subject brings balance to a child's educational journey. While academic subjects strengthen intellectual abilities, creative activities, natural emotional well-being, and mental freshness, children return to their studies with renewed energy, improved concentration, and a positive mindset. Over a time, a visible spurt in creativity can be observed in students. Their ideas become more original, their expression more refined, and their confidence more evident. In conclusion, art and craft activities at KNICE school are not merely extracurricular exercises but an essential part of quality education. They help shape well rounded individuals who are imaginative, confident, and expressive. By nurturing creativity along with academics, KNICE ensures that children grow not only as good students but also as thoughtful, skilled, and creative human beings.